welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. You're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about JioGigaFiber, a transformation, a change in the way people will use internet in India. It is going to change the entire industry, making it more viable for the customers to get high-speed internet at affordable prices. This video will reveal the first 29 cities which have been probably designated as cities who will receive JioGigaFiber connectivity. The cities are not confirmed, but these names are out and open for the people to know whether their city is eligible and will get this great JioGigaFiber offer. Now, if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. Now, what do you mean by JioGigaFiber? It's a fiber to home technology which is going to bring optical fiber to your home. That means you will get an internet speed up to as high as 100 Mbps. Now, just listen to this. 100 Mbps of speed. This is unbelievable. Now, this is something which you will definitely be getting in the days to come, and it is going to change the way people see internet in India. Now, what is broadband reportedly come to these 29 cities first as a part of pre-rollout phase. However, Reliance Jio is yet to confirm the list along with JioGigaFiber plans, its release date and more. Now, JioGigaFiber services were announced on August 15, 2018. While the company has made a lot of confirmations since then, Jio has said that its JioGigaFiber connections will be available in 1100 Indian cities in initial phase. The biggest question is, which everyone is asking, whether their city will be covered in the initial rollout of JioGigaFiber FTTH broadband. I've already told you FTTH means fiber to home technology. It will directly bring optical fiber connections to your home. So now the internet which you're using is not optical fiber, it's normal cable which you get, and that is why the speed which you get is very less. Now, no confirmation from the company itself. A new report has been doing the round on the internet stating that 29 Indian cities will get the JioGigaFiber first. Now, these cities will reportedly be the part of pre-rollout stage, and interested users will be able to get a new JioGigaFiber connection in these cities first before all others. Now, thinking about whether your city will be covered in the initial JioGigaFiber coverage areas, well, here is the list of cities revealed by a new report. Bangalore, Chennai, Ranchi, Pune, Indore, Thane, Bhopal, Lucknow, Kanpur, Patna, Allahabad, Raipur, Nagpur, Ghaziabad, Ludhiana, Madurai, Nashik, Faridabad, Coimbatore, Guwahati, Agra, Meerut, Rajkot, Srinagar, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Jodhpur, Kota and Solapur. Now, these are the probable names who can get the JioGigaFiber internet connectivity initially at first. But then there hasn't been a confirmation from Reliance Jio for the same, and the list might change in the future. However, what is confirmed is the fact that all the new JioGigaFiber connections will come up with complimentary JioGigaFiber preview offer. Now, this is the reason why people love Reliance even now. Reliance is going to change the way internet is going to be used by the people. The Reliance Industries is going to give 100 GB of monthly data at 100 Mbps for the first 3 months. Now, this is unbelievable. You are getting 100 Mbps of internet speed free for the first 3 months. This is difficult to believe, but this will soon be a reality, and I'm sure Reliance is going to break the myth that India cannot have high-speed internet connectivity. And we should all appreciate the efforts put in by Reliance and the industry, which is doing so great. So I'm sure this video would have given you a lot of insight not only about the JioGigaFiber connectivity but also fiber to home, which brings optical fiber directly to your home. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.